Hey guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. So today I'm back with another new video where I'm going to cover Netherlands and the list of the companies who are hiring now with visa sponsorship. And my second part is about full list of companies, which is more than 10,000 companies in Netherlands who got the license to sponsor your visa. So if you want to know the full list of the companies who can sponsor your visa, make sure to watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's begin. So the first website which I'm using to show you the visa sponsorship job is LinkedIn, which is my favorite. So what I have already done, I have already saved few jobs to show you. So here you can see I have 59 jobs which I have already saved. And I'm going to tell you how I have done it so that you can do a research yourself. So you need to just go and write the job title. So whatever is your job title, say business analyst, and then give a word like visa sponsorship and give the name of the country, Netherlands. Based on whatever job title you have talked about, here you will see all the results. And then after that, you will have to read the job description to see whether that company is providing visa sponsorship or not. So here you can see Stafford, they are providing a visa sponsorship. So it means you can apply for this job. So I have already pulled out lots of examples. I have more than 50 companies. So I'm going to show you everything. So the first job on my list is Infrastructure Project Delivery Manager by Optimer. And there are only 5 applicants so far. It means the competition is less. So if your profile is good enough and if it matches the job description, make sure you go and apply. So here what you have to do, you have to go down and then look for the word visa. So I have done a Control F and then you can see the word visa, and they have mentioned they're providing visa sponsorship where necessary along with the relocation package. So in the same fashion, you need to look for the word visa in all the job description. The next on my list is Process and Automation Engineer by Organon. So there are plenty of jobs by Organon as well where they're providing visa sponsorship. So here as well, just look for the word visa and then see whether they are providing sponsorship or not. If it says yes, it means you can apply for the job. The next is Senior Project Leader by Process Technology by MSD Netherlands. By the way, MSD Netherlands, they're hiring for various roles. So you can go and check out their careers page and you can apply for the job. So in the same fashion, you need to go to the bottom of this page here, see more, and then look for the word visa to see what they have mentioned, where they say visa sponsorship is provided or not. So for the rest of the job, I will not look for the word Control F and visa because I've already filtered it out. So I'm going to show you the job title and the company name so that in your free time, you can go and look at this company's page. So again, Senior Java Developer by Stafford, with like I said, they are sponsoring for various roles. So make sure you go and check this out. Remember, you should also look at the number of people applying. So here you can see there will be a very tough competition because there are already 97 applicants. The next is Senior Auditor Quality Compliance by Organon. The next is Solution Architect by Stafford. Next is Manager Operations by MSD Netherlands. Data and Technology Specialist again by MSD Netherlands. The next is Software Test Environment Manager by Stafford. Next is Tegier Learning and Development by Organon. Next is Software Test Environment Manager by Stafford. Next is Animal Technician by MSD Netherlands. Next is Orthopedic by eHealth Jobs. Next is Pharma Specialist by Organon. Business Analyst, like I showed you in the demo, Stafford. Next is Senior Product Marketing Manager by Docker. The next is Product Change Specialist by MSD Netherlands. Supply Chain Lead by MSD Netherlands. So people who are looking for supply chain role, I know there are plenty of people. You can give a try. Here you see there are only 7 applicants. So if your profile is matching the job description, it means you have a good chance to get selected. Project Managers, HRIT. Again, a really good one for you guys who are looking for HRIT roles. Again, by Stafford. UX and UI Lead. Again, by Basic Fit. And there are already 59 applicants. So you may face little competition here. Scrum Master by Stafford, and there are already 40 applicants. International Nurses, again by eHealth Jobs. Senior Product Manager by Orange Quarter. Senior Product Owner by Stafford. Bachelor Academy by PwC Netherlands. Hospital RN by eHealth Jobs. Neuro or Neurology by eHealth Jobs. Staff RN by eHealth Jobs. Neurology by eHealth Jobs. Senior Communication Specialist by Organon. Senior Communication Specialist by Organon. So there are 2 jobs advertised actually. Another is Director of Customer Success. This is by International People Solutions. And the last on my list is Senior Credit Risk Model Consultant by Rabobank. So that is all from LinkedIn. Now, quickly, I'm going to move to another job site, which is Glassdoor. So in the same fashion for Glassdoor as well, give the job title and visa sponsorship in Netherlands, and you can find all the jobs. So I've already saved so many jobs for you. So I'm going to very quickly show you a few examples and you can read the job description yourself. So the first company is WCC and they're looking for product manager. So here, just go and look for the word visa. Here you can see visa sponsorship is provided. The next is MSD. They're looking for senior CX designer. So again, go and look for the word visa. And here you can see visa sponsorship is provided. The next on my list is Senior Transport Procurement Specialist by Young Express Europe. Here as well, just go and look for the word visa and then you can find visa sponsorship. You can see bonus, pension, and they're also giving you good salary. The next is Enterprise Technology Project Manager by Auditor, which we already saw on LinkedIn. So they have advertised almost on all the platforms. So again, just look for the word visa sponsorship and you can find it. Now, for the rest of the job, I'll go through the title and the name of the company, Enterprise Technology Project Manager by Auditor. And they have Pattern Developer by Magnon IT Recruitment, and they also have license to sponsor your visa. The next is HANA Cloud by Technon. The next is Production Engineer by Auditor, which we covered on LinkedIn as well. Principal Software Engineer by GC Recruitment Specialist. Senior Sales Manager by Yan Express Europe. By the way, sales jobs are not very popular where you require a sponsorship, but here you can see they're providing sponsorship. So make sure you go and check this out. The next is Infrastructure Delivery Manager by Auditor. Next is Junior Product Manager by Greenflux. Manager Operations by MSD. Senior Front-End Engineer by Speak Up. Trading Operations Engineer by Auditor. Guest IT On-Site Specialist Lead by MSD. Again, Technon is looking for C++ software engineer. Yan Express is looking for senior warehouse operative. Front-end developer by Sam Media. Again, Auditor is looking for experienced quantitative researcher. They are also looking for lead performance engineer. They're also looking for network engineer. Now, senior backend engineer by Cordico. Support engineer by Auditor. Supply chain by MSD. Senior software engineer by Sinons by Trading Operations Analyst again by Auditor. Auditor is looking for so many jobs. Software engineer, infrastructure, another one experienced equity analyst, and DSP engineer. So that's all from Glassdoor. Now I'm going to show you the third way how you can find your own job. So just go to Google and write visa sponsorship job in Netherlands, and here you will find the full list of the jobs. Here you can be more accurate by giving a command like business analyst, project manager, or whatever is your role. I have just written visa sponsorship. So here you can see you can see all the jobs. Under engineer, you can see only engineer jobs. And then under portfolio manager, you can see all the portfolio manager jobs with sponsorship and the service manager. So these are the three methods I've told. There are other job sites as well, which you can use. Now it's time for me to tell you where you can find the full list of the company in Netherlands who got the license to sponsor your visa. And that list is provided on the government website, which is called as Dutch Immigration Government, IND. And this is the full list. And the website is ind.nl. And then here you can see public registered recognized sponsors. And they have divided this in 4 categories. So here is for the highly skilled migrant. Another is au pair, another is educational institution, and the last is scientific research directorate. So you can open all this in PDF or save it and then apply for the jobs in all this company. I haven't found any website where it's readable format, but if I do, I'll cover that in the future. So what you have to do before you apply for a job in any company, just go and look for the name of the company here, whether they have listed here or not. For example, say if you are interested to work for Apple, just go and write Apple to see whether Apple is registered or not, which you can see it's here. And then say Amazon. If you want to work for Amazon, then you know Amazon is already registered. Say you want to work for booking.com. So just go and find out booking.com and you can see they are registered here. So in the same fashion, just look for the companies here before you apply for the job. So that's all for the video, guys. Do let me in the comment section if you find such videos useful, and also let me know which country do you want me to cover, where I will provide you the list of the companies who are hiring now with visa sponsorship. And by the way, if you want to migrate to UAE and want to know how to apply for jobs in Dubai, make sure you go and watch this video. Thanks for watching my video till the end. I'll see you guys soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning.